Hello my dear friends, welcome to Nurses Ladder. Today in this video, I will be talking about a specific admission notification which is published by CMC Vellore, Chittoor branch. Okay, so before moving into this video, I would like to request that if there is anyone who is a new viewer and who is interested to watch videos related to nursing and nursing profession as well as nursing education, nursing subjects, you can better subscribe to my channel, and as soon as you subscribe you have to also press the bell icon for getting notifications as soon as I upload a new video. And I am very much thankful to all my subscribers. Because of you I am here. I am able to publish more videos. I'm getting the support to add more videos into this channel, and I'm literally so happy and I'm so thankful to all of you for supporting me. Please continue your support so that I will be able to publish more interesting videos for you. So my dear friends, let's start this video. So as you all can see, this is the admission notification which was published by Christian Medical College, Vellore, Chittoor campus. So you should not get confused by seeing this. The college is CMC Vellore and the branch is Chittoor campus. So let us go into details, but one thing I want to mention here is I'm not going to go in details. I will make you understand these details in brief. Now, let's see. This is the information bulletin which you can find in CMC official website. So, Chittoor is a place which is located in Andhra Pradesh. So, now there is a specific message which is provided here, that is, no fee or donation or any other payments are accepted in lieu of admissions other than what has been prescribed in the bulletin, which means that CMC Vellore is not giving their admission details to any agent. So if any agent or admission consultants are involved or are trying to influence you by saying that you have to pay a certain amount of admission fee or some kind of donations before you get the admission, then that is a fake one. You should be aware about those fake agents, and if you find anyone like that, then you are supposed to provide a notice, or you are supposed to notify this information to the registrar, CMC Vellore, Tamil Nadu, India. Okay, so this is an important message, and as you all can see, you can find the official website address here, that is http://admission.cmcvellore.ac.in. So this is a detail of the official website of CMC Vellore. Now let's see other important information specifically related to different dates. First one is online application start date, that is 27th of April 2021. Last date of submission of online application is 15th of June 2021. Last date of submission of supporting documents and email attachments is 22nd of June 2021. Last date for receipt of certification forms from minority network organizations is 06/07/2021. And step 1, that is entrance examination, that is computer based test or CBT, will be conducted on 10th of August 2021. And step 1 results, that is CBT results, will be published on 18th of August 2021. Medical checkups as well as interview will be conducted on 2 dates which are 30th of September 2021 as well as 1st of October 2021, and the final selection results will be published on 5th of October 2021. Registration will be done for admissions, that is 29th of October 2021, and classes will be begin on 1st November 2021. So these are the important dates. So let's see about the eligibility criteria. So the candidates specifically talking about the age, the candidates must have a minimum age of 17 years on or before 31st December 2021. Maximum age limit is 30 years, and for SC/ST category it is 35 years. And this particular organization is affiliated, or this course is affiliated to Dr. NTR University of Health Science, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Candidates should have passed in all subjects of higher secondary certification examination conducted by Andhra Pradesh State Board or any other equivalent examination, that means any other state examinations of higher secondary, and the subjects would be physics, chemistry, biology as well as English. So here, as you all can see here, the subjects are mentioned, and the marks for PUC would be 45% aggregate marks in physics, chemistry and biology at qualifying examination from any recognized board. So the board details are provided here. So now let's see the number of seats. So the number of seats are 7, that is open seats, and for minority network or CMC Vellore staff quota is 43 seats. Duration of the course is 4 years plus 1 year as junior staff nurse. You have to work as junior staff nurse after 4 years of your study. And regarding the course fees, the first year of the course you are supposed to pay 42,000 rupees including uniform, transport and book fee. And in the remaining other 3 years you are supposed to pay 14,500 rupees. Electricity bill would be 4,800 per year and mess fees would be 3,000 per month. The application fees for this particular admission process is rupees 800, and there is a registration fees of rupees 500. So application fees can be paid by many modes. Either you can pay it by challan of ICICI Bank, or you can pay your payment using credit cards, debit cards or net banking. An application fee will not be refunded at any circumstances. Regarding some notifications which you need to understand before you start filling your form. First one is regarding the size of the photograph and the details of the photograph. So here it is mentioned that the photograph must be taken after 1st February 2021. It has to be in light background. It has to be in JPEG format, and the size of the photograph, that is a JPEG format size photograph, should not be exceeding 80 KB. That means it has to be within 80 KB. And width of the photograph must be 150 pixels, height must be 150 pixels. Signature, regarding the signature, it has to be a scanned signature which has to be in JPEG format. The size of this the signature should not be more than 50 KB. Width has to be 150 pixels and height has to be 50 pixels. And both of these can be taken in photo studio for that is a specific information. So here it is given, we need to create an email ID. Before you start your application, you are supposed to create a email ID, and also you need to have a mobile number. So you need to remember your email ID, its password, as well as your mobile number. So all the communications related to admissions will be sent to this particular email ID or mobile number, which you will be providing throughout your application process. So here it is mentioned, please keep your application number as username and date of birth as password to download your hall ticket from the website. As soon as you can find this hall ticket, usually hall ticket will be found in the website 1 week before the examination date. Okay, so once you find this hall ticket, there is a process of downloading this hall ticket from the website. For that purpose, you need to have your application number with you, saved by you, so that you can use it as your username, and also your date of birth will be used as a password for downloading this particular hall ticket. So now let's see the selection process. The first step for selection process is done by CBT, that is computer based test. So which will include which will be including all the subjects which you have studied in your PUC, that is physics, chemistry, biology. Along with that, there will be a test on general ability, and the centers will be centers for this particular examination is provided here, that is Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Calicut, Chennai, Delhi, Ernakulam, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Kottayam, Lucknow, Madurai, Mumbai, Nagarcoil, Patna, Puducherry, Ranchi, Salem, Thiruvananthapuram, Vellore and Vijayawada. So these are the different centers for which you can apply for writing your test. So this test will be conducted in English. Regarding another second step, that is special test and interviews. So here the interview and special test for selection for BS Nursing course will be held at Chittoor. And for specifically for minority network category students, specifically Christian students, another test will be conducted on Bible knowledge, that will be in multiple choice form. So there are some general instructions provided here. So regarding computer-based test consists of multiple choice questions conducted in English. Each question will have 4 possible answers. Your task will be to select the one best answer to the question. There will be only one correct answer. There are 60 questions each in physics, chemistry and biology. 120 minutes is your total time. An aptitude assessment computer-based test consisting of 120 questions in general ability, including speed and accuracy, and a few questions in issues of current topical interest is conducted. So this is the syllabus for your entrance examination. And there are 120 questions in general ability in 2 sections, and section 1 with 60 questions to be answered in 50 minutes, and section 2 with 60 questions to be answered in 20 minutes. So, general instructions include: report to the test center at the time specified in the hall ticket. You are required to produce your hall ticket at the registration desk, without which entry will not be allowed. At the registration desk, your identity will be verified, photograph captured and fingerprint, that is your left thumb impression, will be taken. And once seated in the examination hall, the invigilator will take your signature in the attendance sheet. You are allowed to carry only pencils inside the test center. For rough work purpose, paper will be provided at workstation. Do not bring any other papers except your hall ticket. You are not allowed to carry any of your belongings inside the exam centers, including mobile phones, pagers, palm tops, Bluetooth devices, digital watches with built-in calculators, or any electronic devices which have the potential for misuse or unauthorized communication during the examination. No arrangements will be made by the duty staff for safekeeping and returning the above gadgets. Anti-COVID-19 measures. Candidates will be permitted to carry only these things with them into the examination room. That is, mask on face, gloves on hand, personal transparent water bottle, personal small hand sanitizer 50 ml, exam related documents as instructed, that is hall ticket. No other item to be permitted inside the examination room. Candidate can be disqualified for any of the following reasons, such as creating disturbance, attempting to take the test on behalf of someone else, talking to other candidates during the test, copying, attempting to tamper with the computer system. If found with calculators, pagers, cell phones, concealed microphones, wireless devices, or any other materials that may aid in answering questions. So these are the certain reasons why a candidate can be disqualified. So allotment of exam center will be as per the order of preference given by the applicant in the application. CMC reserves the right to reschedule the date or time of the examination. So here again it is mentioned in detail about the questions and the CBT. If you are interested, you can go in detail and you can find. So here it is mentioned that there is no negative marking for your wrong answers, and hence at times it may be worthwhile making an intelligent guess. That choice is yours and you have to decide how close to the options you are. In computer-based tests for degree courses, this nursing, AHS degree courses, credit is given for questions not attempted, those left blank. The credit given is equal to zero point 0.2 of mark for that question. So your score will probably be more if you leave out the questions about which you know nothing. Remember, however, that a correct answer will be given 1 full mark. So if you have some knowledge of the question and are able to eliminate one or more of the possible answers, your chance of guessing the correct answer increases. Which means that if you leave a particular question unanswered, then you may get 0.2 marks. But if you answer the same question and if it is a correct one, you will get full marks, that is 1 full mark. So you have to make a wise choice. So how are the selections made? Soon after the examination, dummy numbers are assigned to each candidate and all further corrections and computations are done anonymously. Selection to step 2 is done purely on basis of IndusA merit. The interviews and other special tests focus on evaluating the person and her aptitude for the course. So my dear friends, I hope this was an interesting video or useful video for you. If you like the video, please press the like button. And if you want to share with your family and friends, you can do that. And also subscribe to my channel for getting latest updates on nursing courses, different nursing course admissions, as well as information related to nursing subjects and nursing profession. So my dear friends, that's for today. Take care and bye-bye.